And so you go round and round and round, ever chasing the illusion that there is something outside yourself, outside your here and now, to be attained that will make things better. And the thing is to recover from that illusion. So a Buddha means somebody who has woken up and discovered that running around this thing may be fun, and it may be good to run around, but if you think you're going to get something out of it, you're under illusion.
Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Jackson, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick demo of my new marketplace product, which is the multiplayer endless random worlds package. So if you've ever wanted to create your own endless worlds that stream in as you move forward and stream out behind you as you're moving, similar to the way that Minecraft works, except in this case with your own handcrafted levels, then this is the package for you. It's multiplayer, functional, fully network replicated, comes with biomes, your own custom seed, and more settings. It's very simple to set up, and there will be a step-by-step tutorial linked in the description, but just in short, you build your own levels up here in the levels tab. These are the levels that are going to be comprising your world. Once you've got those, you just enter settings into a data table which tell the generator how to generate the level. So once you build your levels and fill out all those settings, you're good to go and hit play. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got your own multiplayer endless random worlds with biomes using level streaming. This product is available on the Epic Marketplace. There will be a link for it in the description. Enjoy!